Just when you thought the evil overlords couldn't get any more sinister, predatory edtech decided to up the stakes. The race is on to misappropriate poor, refugee children's imaginations with digital characters to garner massive profits for corporations later down the road.
Welcome to Pure Element 5. My name's Suzanne, and today's epiphany came from weaponized Sesame Street Muppets seducing children to giving up their data to line the pockets of venture capitalists.
By weaponizing the world-famous, ever-lovable Sesame Street Muppets and converting them into animated digital images, the plan is to seduce children into giving up their data to line the pockets of venture capitalists. The Gates Foundation is involved, as is the Bezos Foundation, the Carnegie Corporation, and social impact bond underwriters, the Pritzker Children's Initiative.
By the end of this video, you'll learn about fake philanthropists coming for your kids. The earlier we introduce screens, the more it affects a child's brain development, and the more likely they are to have trouble with their addictions to technology and screens later in life.
When MacArthur Foundation announced they were giving Sesame Workshop and the International Rescue Committee $100 million to educate young children from displaced Syrian families and help them deal with toxic stress, most people were thrilled. While the optics were polished and positioned as feel-good, these Muppets are absolutely not the type of friends Syrian refugee children need. This approach exactly reflects concerns raised by an April 2017 report published by Education International on the education of already traumatized Syrian refugee children. The report found that many donors were providing decontextualized interventions that focused way too much on technology. EdTech is not what the schools and teachers wanted or needed. But for every one donor offering to provide a soccer ball, there were 10 who wanted to provide tablets and online learning systems. It is rare for funds to be provided for basic necessities like teachers' salaries, books, instructional materials, or even bathrooms. Instead, toxic NGOs and predatory entities like the World Bank and UNESCO have been diverted to pushing digital technology solutions to deliver educational services to refugee children and families. Financial interests claim digital platforms are a cost-effective way to supplement teachers, but that simply does not stack up. Instead, children are being subjected to dehumanizing device-based instruction. This approach completely disregards growing concerns about the health and mental health risks associated with screen time and children. If you thought this was pure engagement, please give us a thumbs up. And if you thought it was pure poo, feel free to give us a thumbs down. It helps us create the content you want to see. The links are down below if you want to catch us on other mediums, along with a link to our website so you can download our free ebook. Until we meet again, the essence of who you truly are is pure love. Go out and connect with someone and show them the love.